Hello, welcome everyone in our channel Banking Preparation. In this video, you will get to know about the most important MCQs of banking. If you are new in our channel, the previous MCQs of banking are given in the description box below, and this is very much useful for Nepal Rashtra Bank and Agriculture Development Bank to crack the first paper. Now let's start the video. Question number 1. Money laundering is related to, options are, to reduce the number of families who lives below poverty line, to reduce the non-performing asset of banks, to reduce the black money, and to reduce the unemployment rate. The correct answer is option C, to reduce black money. Question number 2. Many a times government raises additional resources through taxation and allocation of expenditure as per its requirements. It is as options are credit policy, fiscal policy, monetary policy, and taxation policy. The correct answer is option B, fiscal policy. Number 3. Which of the following rates is not covered under the monetary and credit policy of the Nepal Rashtra Bank? Bank rate, repo rate, cash reserve ratio, and exchange rate of foreign currencies. The correct answer is option D, exchange rate of foreign currencies. Number 4. NPA stands for, options are non-performing assets, net producing assets, net performing assets, and not promoting assets. The correct answer is non-performing assets. Number 5. In banking terminology, bad loans refers to bad debts, non-performing assets, underwriting assets, and fictitious assets. The correct answer is option B, non-performing assets. Number 6. Fixed deposits are for the bank in general. Options are fixed assets, time liability, demand liability, and current assets. The correct answer is option B, time liability. Number 7. Budget is an instrument of, options are commercial policy of the government, fiscal policy of the government, monetary policy of the government, and money saving policy of the government. The correct answer is option B. Budget is an instrument of fiscal policy of the government. Question number 8. A rise in the reserve ratio of banks, options are will leads to an increase in the money supply, will lead to an proportionate increase in the money supply, will lead to a decrease in the money supply, and will have no impact on money supply. When there is rise in the reserve ratio, it will lead to decrease in the money supply. So the correct answer is option C. Number 9. Providing banking services to a customer without his entrance inside the bank's branch is called, options are virtual banking, relationship banking, universal banking, and mobile banking. The correct answer is option A, virtual banking. Question number 10. Which of the following is also known as policy rate? Options are bank rate, repo rate, base rate, and CRR. The correct answer is option D, CRR. Question number 11. How many parties primarily involved in a promissory note? Options are 2, 3, 4, 5. The correct answer is option A, 2. 12. What is called money? Options are money borrowed or lent for a day or overnight, money borrowed for more than one day but up to 3 days, money borrowed for more than one day but up to 7 days, and money borrowed for more than one day but up to 14 days. The correct answer is option A, money borrowed or lent for a day or overnight is known as call money. Question number 13. Who is known as father of economics? Options are Adam Smith, Marshall, J.M. Keynes, and Pareto. The correct answer is option A. Adam Smith is known as the father of economics. Number 14. Which sister organization of the World Bank provides long-term loans at zero interest to the poorest developing countries? Options are Asian Development Bank, IMF, International Development Association, and International Finance Corporation. The correct answer is option C, International Development Association. Question number 15. Nowadays, banks are selling third-party products. Example of third-party product is options are mutual funds, term deposits, credit cards, and all of these. The correct answer is option A, mutual funds. Number 16. Fixed deposits are and recurring deposits are options are repayable after an agreed period, repayable on demand, not repayable, repayable after death of depositors. The correct answer is option A, repayable after an agreed period. Question number 17. Which of the following types of accounts are known as demat accounts? Options are accounts which are zero balance, accounts which are open to facilitate repayment of a loan taken from the bank, not other business can be conducted from there, accounts in which shares of various companies are traded in electronic form, or accounts which are operated through internet banking facility. The correct answer is option C, accounts in which shares of various companies are traded in electronic form. Number 18. NEFT means options are National Electronic Fund Transfer, Negotiated Efficient Fund Transfer System, National Efficient Fund Transfer Solution, and Non-Effective Fund Transfer System. The correct answer is National Electronic Funds Transfer, option A. (19) The KYC does not include obtaining the following: identity proof, address proof, customer profile, and vehicle details of the customers. The correct answer is option D, vehicle details of the customer. 20. AML stands for Anti-Monetary Limit, Anti-Money Laundering, Always Money Laundering, and Anytime Money Laundering. The correct answer is option B, Anti-Money Laundering. Question number 21. Where is the headquarters of the International Monetary Fund IMF? Geneva, Washington DC, London, and Manila. The correct answer is option B, Washington DC. Question number 22. Which of the following is correct? Options are banks don't manufacture products or extract natural resources from earth. A bank is a business. Banks sell financial services such as loans, home mortgage loans, business loans, checking accounts, credit card services, certificates of deposits, and individual retirement accounts. And option D, all of the above. The correct answer is of all of the above. That's for today's video. Question number 23. If the stock markets are declining, then it is called as options are bull run, down run, bear run, and stag. The correct answer is option C, bear run. So thank you for watching us. This much for today's video. If you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel, and if you haven't watched the previous part of banking MCQs, the link is given in the description box below. So thank you for watching us. Thank you.